Hey folks, this is the Rambling Realtor, and I am in Greene County, Tennessee today. I'm on Round Knob Road in the Cherokee National Forest. I'm near the Tennessee-North Carolina state line. It's been an absolutely gorgeous day here in East Tennessee. It's currently 70 degrees and mostly clear. I am going to attempt to film a bit of this excursion that I'm on currently. I'd been out here today to preview a house for a buyer who's out of state, and at any rate, I wanted to take the rest of the afternoon to do some exploring, so here I am. This is going to be a bit rough, a bit bumpy, but let's go for a ride. This is somewhere I've never been before. Scenery is spectacular. I'm in higher elevations, as you can tell, and it's not greened in up here as much. The mountainsides still look a little dull, but it's beautiful nonetheless. Oh, got us a rough little spot here in the road. There we go. Coming back out into some daylight here. Oh, let's just stop for a minute. This is too pretty. And it is steep. A little bit deceiving probably on your end. Trust me, I am up in elevation. All right, let's carry on for a bit. It sure is pretty here. I'll have to come back up here when everything is in full bloom. Okay, let's ride a little further. This is getting pretty dicey here. Definitely don't want to drop off here to the left. By no means. feel like I'm getting near the top of this mountain. Ooh, this is quite rough in itself. Erg. Hope I'm not making you folks seasick here. And again, I'm on Pond Mountain Road in Greene County, Tennessee, which borders North Carolina. I'm in the Cherokee National Forest. Goodness gracious. Now this road is so rough, it's a bit hard to film. So I am going to cut it off right here. And I might make another video when I get to the peak of all this. Folks, again, this is the Rambling Realtor, staying daily with Century 21 Legacy in Johnson City, Tennessee. Feel free to reach out and give me a call, 423-930-0716. I can help you find your slice of heaven here on earth in East Tennessee. Folks, you have a wonderful evening. Thank you for watching.